Hello IG Garage family! Is your car struggling with cold starts, running too rich, or showing overheating issues? If your OBD-II scanner shows P0116, you're dealing with an Engine Coolant Temperature (ECT) sensor range performance problem. This issue can throw off your fuel-air mixture, reduce efficiency, and even cause engine damage over time. In this video, we'll cover what P0116 means, the exact location of the ECT sensor, very important, how to diagnose and fix it easily. Let's get started. The P0116 trouble code stands for Engine Coolant Temperature Sensor Range Performance Problem. This means the ECU is detecting incorrect or inconsistent temperature readings from the ECT sensor. It could be stuck at one value or changing too rapidly. Symptoms of P0116 include check engine light on, hard starting especially in cold weather, overheating or incorrect temperature gauge readings, poor fuel economy with the engine running rich or lean, and the radiator fan staying on or off at the wrong times. Common causes of P0116 are a faulty ECT sensor, which might be sending incorrect temperature values, thermostat issues, such as a stuck, open, or closed thermostat that can cause inconsistent readings, broken or corroded wiring, where a damaged connector or wiring can disrupt the signal low coolant level, which can cause erratic temperature changes, and in rare cases, ECU issues where the engine control module may be misinterpreting sensor data. Where is the ECT sensor located? The engine coolant temperature (ECT) sensor is typically located near the thermostat housing on the cylinder head or intake manifold. In some vehicles there are two ECT sensors, one for the ECU, which is used for engine calculations, and one for the dashboard temperature gauge. The ECT sensor generally has 2 or 3 wires, one for the sensor signal, one for ground, and possibly a reference voltage wire. Check for damaged, corroded, or loose connections. And here's a tip. If your temperature gauge is not working properly, your vehicle may have 2 separate sensors, one for the ECU and one for the gauge. Check coolant levels. Ensure the coolant is at the correct level, top it off if needed, and check for leaks. Inspect the thermostat. A stuck open thermostat can prevent the engine from reaching the proper temperature. A stuck closed thermostat can cause overheating. Check and clean the ECT sensor. Disconnect the sensor and clean the connector pins. Inspect the sensor for damage or cracks. Test the sensor with a multimeter. Measure the resistance at different temperatures. Compare the readings to the manufacturer's specifications. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for frayed, loose, or broken wires. If corroded, clean them with electrical contact cleaner. Replace the ECT sensor if necessary. If the sensor is faulty, install a new OEM sensor. Reset the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to clear the P0116 code. Drive the car and monitor if the check engine light comes back. That's how you fix P0116, Engine Coolant Temperature Sensor Range Performance Problem. If your car has starting issues, temperature fluctuations, or poor fuel economy, check your ECT sensor, thermostat, and wiring. For more expert car fixes, watch these videos next. P0003, Fuel Volume Regulator Control Circuit Low, and P0004, Fuel Volume Regulator Control Circuit High. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more car repair tips from IG Garage. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.